There are so many vegetables, fruits, flowers and the butterflies. I love my garden. Let's visit my garden. Hi dear friends, I am tomato. I am a vegetable. My color is red. I am very good for health. Hi dear friends, I am an apple. I am a fruit. I am a medicine. My color is red. I am a healthy fruit. Hi dear friends, I am sunflower. My color is yellow. I am a beautiful flower. I have no smell. Hi dear friends, I am a butterfly. I live in the garden. I am so colorful. I like honey of flowers. Bye bye. Hi dear friends, I am jasmine flower. My color is white. I am so beautiful. Hi dear friends, I am cat. I am vegetable. My color is orange. I am very good for health. I am a mango tree. I have so many mangoes. My mangoes are very sweet. I give shade to all. Hi friends, I am jackfruit. I am a big fruit. I am so sweet. I have sweet smell. I am very tasty.